Do you ever wonder what the customer sees when they get your email? I'm Eric from Gmail, and in today's video, we're going to look at exactly what the customers see when they click your unsubscribe link in your Klaviyo email. We're here in the Klaviyo website. We're in the campaign section. I'm going to be looking at the campaign called Welcome 10-Dynamic. So I sent this email to my email list, and here's what it looks like in the actual inbox. It's called Welcome Day. It has the coupon code. And then if we go down here to unsubscribe, we're going to click on unsubscribe. It's going to open in a new tab and it's going to say unsubscribe email. And then the email is going to auto populate and then unsubscribe, update your preferences. I'm going to push unsubscribe. And it says you've been unsubscribed. If you didn't mean to, you can resubscribe below. And there you have it. That's what customers see when they click your unsubscribe link in your Klaviyo emails. If you like this video, click the link in the video description down below to sign up for my free email newsletter, where I send out tips, tricks, and other email marketing strategies just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.